Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools, and our mission is complete the revision for grade 7 and lesson 5 standard form. And this question, my dear student. Okay, you remember the standard form. It is just by the way, it is ax plus by equals c. Okay, you know that standard form, that means the x and the y in the same side. Okay, it is good to know that, but how we can solve this question? He asked me here, draw a line with the given intercepts. X intercept is 3 and y intercept is 5. So what I have to do? Okay, the teacher said one times before 3,000 years that x-intercept y equal 0 and y-intercept, it is x equals 0. It is a song, yes? X-intercept y equals 0. Y-intercept, that means x equals 0. You have to memorize this song, my dear student. You can repeat it now. X-intercept y equals 0 and y-intercept x equals 0. You memorize this song? Good. Okay. But actually, if you want to draw, you don't need this song actually. But you have to know that the x-intercept 3, that's mean this 3 is in the x-axis. Don't tell me you don't know what is the x-axis. This is the x-axis, my dear student. Good. And y-intercept means is in the y-axis. Okay, where's the y-axis? This one. Okay, teacher, that means the 3, it is in the x-axis. Where is the 3 in the x-axis? Here. And that means the line will pass through the 3 from the x-axis, and the line will pass through the 5 here in the y-axis. Are you happy with that? Then what, teacher? Then connect them by drawing a line. So we done? Yes. So my dear student, if he asks you to draw and the given is x-intercept and y-intercept directly, if x-intercept equals 3, that means you have to move to the x-axis and plot the 3, as you see again. So the 3, that means x-intercept is 3, that means it is here, and the y-intercept is 5, that means the point is here, and then you connect the line. Easy, yes? Are you happy with that? Me too. But remember that the song, you remember x-intercept y equals 0, y-intercept x equals 0. Okay, why you have to memorize this song? I will tell you later. Okay, now find the x and the y-intercept of the line. This is very important question. He asked me to find x-intercept. Yes, and he also asked me to find y-intercept. This is your mission, my dear student, to get the mark for this question. But you remember the song, which is x-intercept y equals 0. Good. If the y equals 0, that means cancel this part like this. The y and it is accessories. That mean negative 4x. Let me write it correctly. That's mean negative 4x equal 32, and that's mean x equal negative 8. Yes? Good. So the point is negative 8 and 0. Are you happy with that? Me too. Now, we done from the x-intercept, and we use our song x-intercept y equals 0. So we hide the y because the y is 0, and we solve the equation. Now, y-intercept means, yes, x equals 0. That mean you go to the equation and hide the x and it is coefficient and it is accessories, and you write 8y equal 32, then ay equal 4. Yes, so the point is 0 and 4. Okay, my dear student, are you happy with that? So the x-intercept in the first class, you can, okay, I will not make it hard for you. Erase this and erase this and reach to here, okay, then I will give you the full mark. Okay, my dear student? Okay, if it's okay, let's move to graph each equation using x and y intercept. Let us do it. How we can graph it? See. Okay, we have to find the x and the y intercept. Let us start. X, the song, we come back to the song. X intercept. Okay, that's mean y equals 0. So I go to the y and erase it from the equation. Then this equation will be negative 4x equal negative 12, and divide by negative 4, divide by negative 4, as you know, so x equal 3. So the x-intercept is 3. Are you happy with that? We done from this. Let me write it in the front. You see, the life is very beautiful because of me, yes? So it is a 3. Now, go back or come back to the song. Y-intercept. That's mean x equals 0. Go to the x and hide it. From here, y equal negative 12. Easy. So I erase everything here and write the y-intercept. It is negative 12. Now let us graph it. Let me clean this mess. Now the turn for the graph. X-intercept 3, that's mean I have to move to the x-axis and plot the 3. Yes, you remember that? I have to move here to the x-axis and plot where is the 3 in the x-axis. It is here. It is jump. I cannot control it, so I will return back here. So the 3 is here. And where is the y-intercept equal negative 12? Y-intercept, that means I will move here. Are you happy with that? But actually in this graph I have no negative 12, so I go down, down and down and down till reach here. So this is negative 12. Then I will connect between them by using your ruler, not your handwriting. So it will be like this. Are you happy with that? Me too. What is the x and the y-intercept? This is the beautiful and the easiest question in the world. So he give me graph and ask me what is the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So the x-intercept, it is from here, where the line hit the x-axis. By the way, this is the x-axis. You see, let me color it in another color, use another color. You see where is the line? Oh my god, where the line, this red line, hit the y-axis, the x-axis, it hits here. You see, 3. Easy, yes? And the y-intercept means where the line, the red line I mean, hit the y-axis, which is this one. This is the y-axis. Clearly it is here. And it is -2. Yes, because it is down. It is not clear. The graph is not clear, my dear student. Don't confuse. Actually, this is the y-axis, and this is down because we move down, so it is -1, -2, so it's hit in -2. Are you happy with that? Let us be faster a little bit. Okay, again in this graph, now we are in this graph, my dear student. Okay, the x-intercept, that means it is here, it hits here, it is -1. The second one here, another question, this is another question. So x-intercept, it is -1, and the y-intercept, okay, it is the y, it is here -1. Are you happy with that? Me too. Okay, what else? It is easy, yes? Let us move here. It is very important question here. We have here, what is the graph of the x equal to? X equal to means, before I come here, okay, or do this, let me explain something else to make your life easier. Yeah, here he asked me for each equation tell whether is the graph is horizontal or vertical. By the way, horizontal mean, yes, and vertical mean from up to down. Okay, remember that. Okay, remember that y equal 1, that's mean this is vertical. Every time y is vertical, y is vertical. Let me change the color. So y is vertical. So y is vertical and x is horizontal forever. Okay, so y equal number, any number, that means vertical. Let me graph it for you. I draw like this, the y-axis and the x-axis, and y equal 1, this is the y equal 1. Now I will graph this one. Actually, I graph this, by the way, if you confuse, my dear student. Okay, okay, now I will graph this one. I said the x is vertical, yes, all of time the x is vertical, so I will graph this. Okay, and x equal -1, this is x equal negative, this is -1, so I draw this line and we done. Okay, now y equals 0, this is the x-axis and the y-axis, and y equals 0 means this line. Okay, are you happy with that? Let's come back here. He asked me what is the graph of the equation. He gave me this equation and he asked me which one is correct. As you know from before, this is mean it is a vertical line. Yes, a vertical line. Where is the vertical line here? Yes, this line is vertical. Good. So this is the proper answer. This one is cannot be because it has a slope, and this one it is a horizontal, so it is impossible to be the answer, and this one is a vertical. But here, as you see, here it is x equal 2. Yes, x equal 2. And here it is x equal negative 2, because it passes from the negative 2. And the question is x equal 2, so the answer must be this one. And this is all about standard form 5-5. See you in the last part of this revision. Goodbye.